Alright, you can actually create this kind of video with just your smartphone using CapCut editing application. Follow me to the screen to show you how to achieve this kind of video. Don't forget to share to others.
Alright, my wonderful audience, I will be using this very pointer for illustration. So for you to achieve this particular video effect, you need 5 video clips. Number one of it is a 3D animated house. The second one is 2 of your own video clips which you recorded on a green background color. Then after that, you need a helicopter green screen and a blast green screen. Okay, so once you have those clips ready, the next thing is for you to head to CapCut and click on new project. Then once you click on it, it will take you to your gallery. You will first of all have to bring this one and this one to editing interface, okay, by choosing them like this, 1, 2. Then after that, you click on add, okay, allow it to load. They will appear like this on editing interface. Do you understand? So for this very particular green screen, you need to remove the unwanted parts. See what I'm doing, okay? Okay, let me stop here. That white vertical line shows the area that I'm currently in. So you touch it like this, you can see the white line circling the video bar here, okay? So the next thing you need to do is to click this to separate the unwanted part from the action part. Then it has been separated. The next thing is to click on this side. Once you have it clicked to highlight it, you click on delete, okay? The next thing which you need to do is to still highlight that very green screen video and swipe this side to the left hand side until you get to overlay, which is marked by this. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. If you did not understand, ask your question, okay? So click the overlay to bring the video below, then click and hold on it and drag it to the beginning of the video. So the green color, which is this one, the green background video has covered this particular one. You can see it here. Okay, so the next thing is to remove the entire green portion of this very clip to review the building here. So what we need to do is to click on the video here to get it highlighted. Then still swipe to the left hand side until you get to remove BG. There is remove background, which is this. Once you have that very remove background, click, head over to option 3, chroma key, click on it. Then you will notice something here, that there is a circle inside this very red circle. You will see it. Let me mark it. This is it, that circle. Have you seen it? Then click on the center of it, then be navigating through the video until you will get to a point where the whole thing will clear. Okay, once this position is okay, now the green background has been removed, but if you look at it very well, some part of it is still there. What you need to do is to come over to intensity here, don't touch shadow, then take it to 34 or 35 depending on what you are doing, okay? So until you get all those residual part of the green screen removed. So let's leave it at 27, okay? Then click on this check mark to indicate your action. Once you have that done, the next thing which you have to do, remember that this very green screen is longer than the building. That is, I mean, this particular one is shorter than this very green screen, okay? I will show you what to do at the end, okay? Just pay attention. What you need to do now again is to, let's just play the video a bit so that we will know where to cut it. All right, so you come over to this very building, click on it, come to speed, come to speed here, click on it. But if the length are the same, no need of going to speed, okay? We want to increase the length of that building, okay? So take it to 0.9 or 0.8. Let's leave it at 0.8, okay? All right, this is okay. So once you have it like this, highlight the building, okay? Then what you need to do is to swipe to this end until you get to duplicate, okay? Pay attention, ask your question if you did not understand. Click on duplicate. It has double the video into 2. So depending on the type of CapCut editing version that you are using, sometimes you may not really see duplicate, it may be copying. So the two of them are the same, okay? So you can highlight any of the 2. You can see what I'm doing. You can highlight any of the 2, then come to this side again until you get to overlay. You can see what I'm doing. Here is overlay, here is it. Then click on it, it will bring that very building down. Then click and hold on it and take it to the beginning of the video. So looking at it now, it has covered this very green screen building as in video. What you need to do is to highlight this one, not the first one, I mean the second one. Then once you have it highlighted, then you swipe to the left hand side until you get to remove BG. At this time, you are no longer going to click on chroma key. What you are going to click on is custom removal. Okay, click on it, then choose option 2, which is brush, not quick brush, I mean brush. Okay, once you have it clicked, pay attention, increase your brush size to 29 or to any length depending on what you want to shade. This is what we want to do now. We want to remove the sky background, leaving behind the building and its environment. Okay, see what I'm going to do now. Okay, are you seeing what I'm doing? Okay, just take time and do it, okay, so that you will not make a mistake. Okay, so that you will not make a mistake. Okay, you will only shade the building like this. Okay, in fact it is not hard. Within a very short time we should be ready. All right, you can now shade the entire volume of the building. Okay, like this. You can see what I'm doing. If you did not understand, kindly ask your question and exercise patience, because this video will be long a bit. Okay, so allow it to load. Then the next thing for you to do is to click on this very check mark key to authenticate the action which you have implied. Remember that it is reading until that white circle join the beginning of the circle. Okay, the entire building will remain, then the background where we did not shade will be cleared. So let me click on the check mark key while waiting for this thing to complete. All right, you have seen that my image is now showing. What you need to do now is to come back to that very green screen to adjust the size by using your two thumbs. Okay, have you seen it now? So let me increase it a bit and bring it to this side. All right, let's play the video a bit now to see what we've done, whether it makes sense or not. Let me begin. So the video is already long. I will continue the remaining part of the video, that is the plane and the blast and the second image, in my next video.